In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 107a printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, please proceed directly here at the search bar and type for HP Laser 107a printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard. The moment you do it, you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first one, click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be navigated to a new page where you can download the printer driver. So here, it will automatically detect the operating system, which is Windows 11. If not, click on this choose a different OS, click on this down arrow key, and set it into Windows 11. So click on update the moment you have selected it, and in a few moments you will be able to refresh the page. Once done, please scroll down and there here you will be able to see driver product installation software, and under it you can see the software and drivers. So please click on download aligning to it. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case if you haven't yet, then download it. So once completed, you need to copy and paste it here to the desktop. So the next step that you need to do is you need to extract this file. So you can double tap to unzip or extract it, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool to extract this one. Now select for WinRAR and go with extract to, and kindly wait until this file would be extracted until a new file folder would be showing up here at the desktop. So once a new file folder has been created, we will now move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So here at the start, make a right click, then scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you will be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please proceed to the left side and locate for Bluetooth and devices. So please simply click on it. And from here, you need to proceed with the printers and scanners. Click on this one, and there you can see an option called Add Device. Click on it and kindly wait until you get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and in a few seconds, you will be able to open this new window. Please choose for Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Go with Next and click on Have Disk, and you need to navigate to the Browse. Now from here, please proceed to the desktop, and here at the desktop, you need to find the extracted file. So you can see it here, double tap, and there you can see the driver. Click on open here, click on the OK button, and then click on the OK. Okay, so we just have to find for the printer. Okay, there you can see that one. So click on the open button, click on the OK here, and there you have it. So go with the next here, and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP Laser 107a. Once done, please click on next, and it will now start the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP Laser 107a printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.